Good morning students. Today we start a new chapter, data types in Python. Most of the computer programming languages support data types, variables, operators and expressions, which we have studied in a last chapter, Python Fundamentals. Python also support all these fundamentals like data types, variables, operators and expressions. In our last chapter, we have learned about variables, how we will declare a variable, different types of operators and expressions. Today we learn about data types. Data type specifies which type of value a variable can store and what type of operations we can perform on them. Suppose a variable is if we declare a variable a equals to 10, then by data type we come to know that a variable can store an integer type of value and we can perform arithmetic operations on integer values. And the type function is used to determine a variable's type in a Python. So if you want to know the type of a value a variable is storing, then we can find it by using a type function. As in Python, we just declare a variable and assign value to it. We didn't declare a data type along with that. So by using a type function, we come to know the type of value a variable can store. Now in Python we have different types of data types: numbers, string, boolean, list, tuple, set, dictionary. Now the first and the data types are also of two types: mutable and immutable data type. A mutable data type can change its states or contents. An immutable data type cannot. Or we can say that a mutable data type can be updated after creation, but the immutable data type cannot be changed or edited after creation. And the mutable data types are list, dictionary, set, byte array, etc. But the immutable data types are int, float, complex, string, tuple, sets, etc. Mutability can be checked with a function id method. If we have declared x equals to id, then print id of x. Then x equals to 20, print id of x. If IDs of both the print statement is different, as integer is a immutable. See, we have declared x equals to 10 and x equals to 20. By using a id method, we can find the memory location of a variable. Now when we run this, when we print the id of variable x to whom we have assigned 10, the location is different, and as the value assigned to the variable x, both names are same, but they are locating on the different locations. So we can say that integers are immutable variable. So immutable means you cannot create or change the value of a variable if declared once. Suppose we have a variable we have declared x equals to 10, then we cannot change it. We have to declare a new variable. When we declare a variable x equals to 20, then it is referencing to a different location. So what do you mean by mutable data type? Means mutable data types are the variables whose mutable data types are the types whose values can be changed after creation, and the immutable data types are the data types whose values or content cannot be changed after creation. Now the first data type is number in Python. A number data type is used to store numeric values, and Python has three numeric types of data types. First is an integer, second is a floating point number, and third is a complex number. First is integer. Integer or int are the positive or the negative numbers with no decimal point. Integers in Python 3.7 or whatever version you are using are of unlimited size. For example, you have declared a equals to 100 and b equals to minus 100 and c equals to 1 into 20. When you print, then print a, print b, print c. When you run this program, you get the output 100, minus 100, 200. Now next is type conversion of integer. Type conversion means converting the value of a variable to a data type, to another data type. Suppose we have for the type conversion of integer we use the int function and it converts any data type of to a integer. For example, we have taken a equals to 101, as 101 is enclosed in double quotes, so it is a string value and we can convert this value into integer by using a int function. Right, like this, b equals to int and bracket pass 101. It converts the string data type to integer. So what is type conversion? Type conversion means forcefully converting the value of one variable to into another data type. Or we can say that type conversion is the method to convert any data type to another data type. Or to integer. For converting into integer we use int function. Then we have a floating point number. It is a positive or a negative real number with a decimal point. For example, we will declare a equals to 101.2. It is a floating point number as it contains the decimal. Now the type conversion of floating point numbers. For converting a variable of any data type to float, we use float function. For example, we have a equals to 301.4, as it is enclosed in single quotes, then it is a string value. We can convert it into float by using a float function, right? B equals to float and pass a as an argument to a float function. It converts the string data type to a floating point number. Then we have a complex number. Complex numbers are the combinations of real and imaginary part. Complex numbers are in the form of x plus yj, where x is the real part and y is the imaginary part. For example, a equals to complex of 5. Convert 5 to a real part value and 0 is the imaginary part. When you print this, you get the output like 5 plus 0 j. So these are the three types of numeric data types in a Python. Tomorrow we will learn about the string data type. Thank you.